Now to an ongoing 6 Fix investigation. A Bell County woman has a flooding problem on her hands after she says a neighboring property was altered and water was diverted. I've been trying to get answers for weeks about this situation to find out who's in charge of enforcing codes surrounding water rights. Now the city of Temple says the work that started the flooding problems didn't have permits to begin with. Answers at the local and state levels.
It's very frustrating and very frustrating to try to get any help.
Mary Billeck asked 6 News for help in a flooding problem she's experiencing.
I know that we never had any problem before.
Billeck says her yard and driveway started looking like this after she noticed a nearby property was being altered. 6 News found out from the city of Temple that the nearby work was done without permits.
I just don't understand if it's against the code and he can't do it, why somebody can't enforce the code. I want my property fixed and I want the flooding stopped, because this will go, especially in the spring, it'll go on over and over. And every time my road and my bridge are going to need repair.
The city of Temple says a stop work order was issued by code compliance, and that code compliance can issue a citation and enforce correction of the flooding issue if it has not yet been remedied. But Billeck has said before she doesn't want to wait for the next rainstorm.
Well, I want a solution where I don't get flooded, my neighbor on the south doesn't get flooded. It seems like if there's a code, then enforce it.
6 News reached out to the Texas Commission on Environmental Quality, who declined an interview but answered questions. The agency said flooding a neighboring property is a civil matter and is not regulated by the TCEQ. Well, the agency also said water rights and water diversions in the Temple and Waco areas are managed by TCEQ's Brazos Water Master Program. Billeck reached out and found out today that a representative will assess her situation later this week. We'll keep you updated as we stay on that 6 Fix.